Here I have a VIVO Y71. Let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, we need to scroll down and choose here the lock screen, home screen and wallpaper. Here from the following list, let's choose wallpaper, and as you can see, you can choose wallpaper from the gallery of Vivo. Here we've got some live wallpapers that you can use also. But you can also choose albums, and you can use the wallpapers from your pictures, from your photos right here, if you have some of course. And in my case, let me choose for example the following wallpaper. Let me tap apply, and you can use it on your lock screen, desktop, or on your both screen. Let me use on my lock screen, so now after pressing power key I should see new wallpaper. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.